Hey guys, how's it going? I've got a chip in my windshield here. Kind of hard to see. See right there. Yeah, I got a chip in the windshield from some dummy on the interstate that decided he wanted to go around a bunch of traffic by going on the shoulder, and he kicked up a bunch of rocks. And so I've got a chip in the windshield now, and I'm currently traveling, and I don't want to have to get the windshield replaced. So I'm going to try this Rain-X windshield repair kit. I've actually done this before on this same windshield in a different spot, and it worked out perfectly. So I'm going to do this again on this windshield, well, on the same windshield, to fix this repair. Like I said, I've done this before and it works really well. We're going to do chips, bullseye, and stars, because this is definitely a, let's see, focus. Yeah, there we go. This one's definitely a bullseye. Well, more of like a star. So anyway, first step we have to do here is we've got to clean the windshield. You can't clean it with any cleaner or water or anything. You just have to clean it with a dry paper towel because you don't want to contaminate the chip. So you can't get anything in there, otherwise the resin won't work. So we'll clean this with some paper towel, and then we'll get things ready, and we'll apply this apparatus in here, and then we'll start pushing the resin into the crack. All right, so now I've got it clean with the paper towel. Next step is to remove any loose glass fragments by scraping over it with the razor blade. So let's do that. Here's a razor blade. We'll come over here. Just gonna pick inside of it just to make sure there's nothing. It's pretty good though. Just gonna pick out any loose glass in there. I think that's good. Okay, next step is to affix the resin applicator. I think that's what this is called. Yeah, this is the applicator base. So we're going to install this, and we want to make sure that we get it right over the hole. I mean, right over the chip. All right, that looks pretty good. Yeah, so we'll push it down there, and then we'll be ready to put in the applicator itself. Okay, the next step, now that we've got the applicator base attached and centered, I'll put centered there on top of the little star chip. Now we've got to take the applicator that has a little rubber mouth on the end of it, and we've got to screw that in and push it down until the rubber mouth will be directly on top of the point of impact. So we'll do that now. And we don't need this. Oh, we can take it out here in a second, so. All right. Now we'll go inside the vehicle, and we can check from inside the vehicle to make sure that the rubber mouth is on top of, directly on top of the impact of where the chip occurred. All right, so we're all set up, and we're ready to put the resin in. So we're going to put 3 to 6 drops of the repair resin inside of the tube in here. And then we're going to use this pressure driver to force the resin into the crack. All right, we'll see how this goes. All right, so I put the resin in, and now we're going to put the pressure driver in. Let's see what it says here in the instructions. So we have to make sure it's not leaking. It says make sure it's not leaking. So I don't see any leaks, so it's not leaking. And then we can screw the pressure driver in to drive the resin into the brake. I'm just doing this by hand. Okay. See any leaks? Nope, I don't see any leaks. It says go ahead and to screw it almost all the way in. It's getting, the resistance is getting, I'm feeling more and more resistance, so I feel like it's probably driving the fluid in at this point. See if we have any leaks. Oh, no leaks yet. I'm taking this slow. It feels like it's pretty far in there. Okay, just doing it by feel. I feel like that's pretty good. And we have no leaks. So it says to allow 4 to 6 minutes for the repair resin to absorb into the brake. So we'll give that a few more minutes here. I'll go on the inside and check it out and see if we can see the resin going into the, well, we can do that now. Let's see if we see the resin. Oh, it's really hard to see. Can you guys see there's a resin going in? I can't really tell. Let me go back outside and maybe crank down on it a little bit more. All right, guys, this is looking really, really good here. Can you guys see the crack? I can't see the crack. Pushing all that resin right into that crack, into the chip. Remember, it was a star crack. It had about 3 or 4 cracks coming off of the bullseye there where the rock hit. And then we can go inside. We want to see the inside part. Yeah, that's looking really good. I'll turn on the light here. And you can see a little bit of it, but it's looking really, really good. Filling up with the resin there. I'll let it sit for a little bit. May have to do another application, just get those little spider veins taken care of. But pretty amazing stuff. All right, guys, check this out. It's amazing, right? I don't see any cracks left, I think. Yeah. No cracks. I think we fixed it. And I can see just a few little hairline fractures there. Looks like we might have to readjust. Might have to move it over a little bit to make sure we get all the resin in there. But pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. For 12 bucks. That way I don't have to replace this windshield. Yeah, guys, so this is working out fantastic. I just relocated, I just moved the apparatus over a little bit to the right to try to see if I can get one of the spider cracks. but it's been reduced to almost non-existent. You can barely even see that there's a chip or a crack anymore. I'm just trying to get the last little fine little crack. But you can move this thing around. You can move it around as much as you need to get everything filled in. You can readjust it. You'll dribble a little bit of the resin down the windshield. You can just wipe that up. The resin won't harden until you move your vehicle out into the sun. So I have not moved the vehicle out into the sun, so it's still in here. So I still have the ability to move this around and continue applying pressure and applying the resin to the windshield. And you can see there's this screw on top. You put the resin in here, and then this screw on top pushes the resin down into the nipple down here at the bottom, and then pushes it up against the windshield. And it's applying quite a bit of pressure to the windshield, because this, you can see how these are bowed right now. I mean, it's pushing down really hard. And the other trick to this is, the instructions say to give it 4 to 6 minutes to allow the resin to penetrate into the windshield. For the first application, I gave this like a good 20 minutes. I stopped and went and had lunch, and I left it on here, and I think that works better, because it just nice slow pressure, consistent pressure the entire time until it fills the crack in. So I'm gonna end the video here. Well, actually I won't end the video here. Let me take this all apart, and then I'll show you what the final product looks like. All right, guys, isn't this freaking amazing? It's right here. Right here is where my finger is, where the chip was at. Focus, focus, focus. There we go. That's where it was at. Amazing, right? And I'm gonna fix this last little chip you see here with one of these curing sheets. So the next step in the instructions is to put a little drop. Add a drop of the repair resin onto areas where damage is still visible and cover with a curing strip. So I'm going to take one of these little curing strips here, and I'm going to put a drop there, and then we're going to cover the drop with the curing strip, and then we're going to move the car out into the sun, and we're going to cure it all, and we'll be done. I will show you the final product once it's all cured. It only takes what does it say here, about 5 to 10 minutes in the sun, and then we just have to take a razor blade and scrape off any of the resin that's hardened on there, and we're done. Really super simple, effective. I'll put links down below to where you can get this kit. Amazon sells it, and Amazon sells it for a really good price, same price that you'd get at most other places. So I'll put a link down below. Like I said, this is the second time I've done this, and it works fantastic. All right, I'll be back in a little bit. All right, here's what it looks like with the curing strip on there, and with the one little drop that I put on there. That's gonna harden up and take care of that last little chip on top. And it'll make the glass like perfectly smooth and clear. It's already super clear. I mean, I've got other little tiny chips throughout this windshield that you can't really see, but this will make it really clear, and fix this chip up. All right, guys, here's the final product. Sitting out here in the sun, you can see some of the star pattern on the dash there, but the repair is actually right here. And I've got to take a razor blade, and I just have to scrape off the resin. Just have to scrape off all the resin, and then we'll be done. Thanks for watching. I'll put links down below to where you can buy this product. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.